Hey, what's up, and welcome back to ByStephieNics. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get perfect lashes in 3 easy steps. This is going to be great for you if you have literally no idea how to apply mascara, or if you do, but you've been looking to up your game. We're not going to be messing with false lashes or anything like that. I mean, personally, I've never even tried it. It just seems too complicated. Don't even want to go there. I've got my little mascara routine that gives me that false lash look without the mess and hassle of actual false lashes. So if you're interested, just stick around because we're about to get started. We ain't gonna do no long intro today because this situation that we got going on right there, it's just not okay. We gotta get started. Just roll up your sleeves. Let's get right into it. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have no lashes. If I don't do anything, you literally can't see them. They are totally straight, which makes them invisible. So this is where I'm starting out. We're gonna fix it though, don't you worry. Okay, step number 1 is you gotta curl your lashes. Now this isn't even a required step if you already have lashes that, you know, stick up and are nice and visible, unlike mine, you don't have to curl them. So this goes from a 3-step process to a 2-step process. How lucky for you. But if you're like me and you got nice, invisible, straight lashes, you gotta whip out that curler. A lot of people are intimidated by this thing. This is my best friend. If you've always been too scared to try an eyelash curler, I'm telling you, you don't have to be. Really just be careful and go slow with it and you'll be fine. I promise. I promise. Okay, so what you're gonna do is just line up that metal top part, flat against right on top of your lashes, press it down, and then you're gonna clamp it down. Simple as that. And you just hold it for a few seconds. I sometimes like let go and just pump it a bit so that if it wasn't in the perfect position, I can kind of readjust it. So do that, I don't know, maybe like 10 seconds, something like that. And then you see eyelashes, no eyelashes. We're already making progress here. Okay, I'm just gonna even out the other side and then we'll get on to step 2. I look like a person again, how nice. Step number 2 is we get started with mascara. Okay, so for my little process, my trick comes down to using 2 mascaras. What? 2 mascaras? Is she crazy? Maybe. So first I'm gonna go in with this mascara right here. This is the Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal Volume Express mascara, but you can use any mascara you want as long as it has these qualities. So the qualities that you're looking for in your first mascara that you're gonna be using is something that's kind of light and it's gonna fan out your lashes, nothing like thick or clumpy. So this one right here has a nice big brush. See the classic YouTuber against the hand. See that nice giant fanned out brush. And in terms of color for your first mascara, don't go with your like heaviest, darkest black. This is just, I think this is classic black. I don't know, it doesn't say, but I'm pretty sure that this is just classic black. You're gonna save the glam for the next step. You'll see. Okay, so mascara number 1, all those nice little qualities that you finally found, or you just bought this specific mascara. What you're gonna do is coat your top lashes. One nice simple coat like this. For the outer corner, what I do is I kind of reach over my head, just pull it up a little bit to keep the mascara from getting on my skin, and then I just finish it off. Okay, so basically what you're accomplishing with mascara number 1 is this nice, natural, fanned out look, and this is what I call my base coat. We're going to finish off the lashes and get to step number 3. So the second mascara that I'm gonna be using is also Maybelline. I love Maybelline mascaras. This is the Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. What you're gonna wanna look for in your second mascara choice, whatever you choose. In terms of color, you're gonna wanna go darker. This is where you go super glam, super black, because it's gonna be your final coat. It's gonna look really like wake everything up, you know? You know. And then in terms of the brush, let me show you what this one looks like. This is a much thinner brush than the other one. It has like short little stubby bristles. This is a comparison of the 2 brushes. You're gonna wanna use that nice, bigger, fatter brush for the first mascara, and then that thin one with the tiny bristles for your second mascara. I wish I could give you like an explanation of like why the smaller brush second works the best in combination, but I don't know. It just does. I don't question it. I just do it and then I pass it along to you guys, so you're welcome. Okay, so let's get right into it. You're gonna use this as the second coat on your top lashes. Same exact method. I go pretty nice and slow. I push the brush up into the base and then pull it up as I like blink into it. And this one will go back, kind of do like almost 2 coats with this, really build it up. If you start to see it getting like maybe a little clumpy, stop. don't go farther because then it's impossible to come back from clumped up lashes. So bring it to the point right before you feel that's gonna happen. And then if I wanna go, you know, full on lash, I take the wand and I kind of just touch it to the very tips of the lashes because they didn't get as much, you know, mascara love as the base. So this helps bring just a little more color to the tips. And there we go. You can definitely see a difference between this eye with that second mascara versus this just with the base. This is darker, thicker, more volumized, lengthened, all the good words you want to hear when we're talking about lashes. And then without dipping the wand back into the brush, what you're gonna do is with the excess that's on the wand, you're gonna do your lower lashes. You have less hairs on the bottom and they're usually shorter, so you really don't wanna like cake it up with a lot of product. It'll get clumpy really fast. So just the excess that's on the wand will be perfect. What really helps to not, you know, get it all over your skin is kind of look down, because if you're looking up, you're gonna just touch your skin right away. So just put your head down and then just lightly just wiggle it through a bit. And there you go. Bottom lashes are done. I was scared of doing my lower lash mascara for years. I don't know why. I just thought, you know what, top lashes only. But once I did the bottom lashes, I have not gone back. It totally helps open up your eyes from top and bottom. In my opinion, it's a much nicer look, and I don't know, I don't like a blank lower lash anymore. So don't be afraid of it. A lash curler and lower lash mascara are your friends here. Okay, let me even out my eyes because I'm feeling very imbalanced, and then we'll talk. So there we go, we've got that beautiful, fanned out, voluminous, lengthened, dark as anything false lash look without the falsies. And that wasn't so bad, that wasn't so painful. I think we got through it okay. Let me zoom you back out and we'll talk a little more. Okay, there we go, we're zoomed out again, nice and comfortable distance. But I have lashes, see, I told you. They were there the whole time. I just had to bring them out with a few tools. Okay, so I think that kind of covers everything I wanted to tell you guys today. If you're interested in more of these like easy routine type videos, I could definitely do some more for you. I was thinking about doing like my brow routine because it's also really like pretty simple. So if you guys are interested, definitely let me know down below. Just write something like, show me how to do my brows, I've been struggling, I need help, or just brows please, you know, whatever you're feeling, just let me know. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a big like down below. Just click the little thumb and it will turn blue and it'll make me really happy. If you enjoyed hanging out and you want more content like this in your life, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's big and red and free to click. Right next to it, you know there's that little notification bell and you just gotta ring it to be notified every time I post a video, and then your phone will alert you. It'll go, ByStephieNics just posted, and you're like, oh my god, I gotta hear and watch it. Okay, so definitely click all those buttons down below. What a mood I'm in, what a mood. If you have any questions on what I talked about today, if you tried it out and you just have a total mess and everything is clumped up into like one giant lash, let me know down below. I could definitely answer any questions you got. That's what I'm here for, so drop me a line. Okay, I think it's time to go. So thank you guys so much for watching and supporting. As always, y'all are the best. I love you, my little ByStephieNics fam. And as always, this was ByStephieNics. Bye. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get perfect lashes in 3 simple steps with just 4 easy payments of $19.99. Oh goodness.